guys, so it's back. It's time for a new wig review, and this one is by Bobbi Boss. It is in the style Hazel, and she's part of their Updo Revolution series. Now, I'm not even sure if this unit is like, I don't know, I doubt it is fully stocked in certain websites right now. But I think I'll just take this opportunity to show you guys how to do an updo on a wig. So let's go ahead and look at the wig construction. This is what the color I got, crazy color. I know. Usually wig embodies color, especially with the dark root, but it's not super bad. It's like, it blends pretty well. The color that I got is HL Perp / green. So it has highlights of purple, and the majority of it is this dark green color. This is the cap construction, so it's like a U parting space. It does have lace all around the perimeter, so you could do an updo, and that's what we're gonna do. It came like this already. I do not plan on wearing her like this. And it does come with some room in the front to pluck. It is pretty well plucked, but we're gonna do some more, okay? So let me take this little bun out and throw her on. Took the bun out, and you can see there's tracks in the middle, so you can't split her down the middle. But if you want to, you don't have to wear her in an updo. Let me just show you. You don't have to, look, it's a little hump right here, but you could like flat iron her and have her go this way. You could do it that way as well and have her go to the side. Let me just brush her out real fast. She looks like, oh my gosh, she looks a mess. But we're gonna fix her up. We're gonna fix her up, hopefully. But yeah, this is what she looks like brushed out. I'm gonna try to put her in an updo. So I'm gonna stop talking right here because I really gotta concentrate on this wig. The hair is really dry and it kept tangling. I had to put down the brush I had in the beginning, and I'm using this unbrush that I purchased from the TikTok shop. If you follow me on TikTok, it will be linked there. And you can also just go to my TikTok and shop my TikTok showcase. But I just basically detangled with that brush. It was so much easier. And I put it in a bun. I tried to smooth it out as best as I could, but I wanted to put it in a bun to prepare, and I just did a messy bun right here, just to get the hair out of the way to prepare for the install of this unit. But basically you want to brush all the hair as smooth as possible up into the updo. Now, once you get it in the updo, this is what you're going to have to do, because you don't want the back of your hair to show and you don't want the tracks to show. So you're going to take the hair and pull it out of the bun some. This makes it look more relaxed in the back and it's not so taut. And this will cover the back, cover your hair, and any tracks showing. So I just went ahead and decided to leave some hair out in the back as well. I cut the hair down because it was just too long to be hanging like that. And I took too much out anyways. And I'm using this Kiss Colors and Care holding spray. I don't know the exact name, but of course I'll have it linked in my Amazon storefront. But this is the best lace holding spray. I mean, I have had wigs on for like 2-3 days with just this spray, okay? No glue, nothing. And I am like, not at this point, I just really don't want to use glue because it's hard to get off of your skin and it's really hard to get off of your lace. So I prefer the spray or the gel. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera and did my baby hairs, and now I'm just smoothing the front of this out. I decided to go for a side part bang. The front, I think that the hairline was just too low for me to do the two side pieces. So I just basically turned it into a side part. And then I will recurl the bang off camera. But I went ahead and redid my bun to where it looked a little bit more, not as messy, but it was still a messy bun. And here's the finished result. I recurled the bang, cut it a little, and yeah, I did curl those other pieces in the back. The hair was really frizzy on this unit. I was scared I wasn't going to be able to make it work, but it came out great. I'll try to link it in my Amazon storefront if it's available on Amazon. And yeah, I love the bag. I love everything about this unit. I'll be wearing her for a couple of days. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you love my content. Y'all have a blessed day and thank you for watching. Mwah.